Now in this video, I'm going to be finding the derivative of the square root of 3x squared plus 1. Now before I do this, I like to rewrite this. So I'm going to rewrite the formula this way. Okay. This is the exact same thing as this. Okay? And for me, it really makes things a whole lot easier. So now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 1 from 1/2. All right? So, I'm going to bring my 1/2 out to the front. Then, I'm going to be multiplying that by 3x squared plus 1. And my exponent will be negative 1/2. And the reason it's negative 1/2 is because 1/2 minus 1 equals 1 minus 2 over 2, and that will give you negative 1/2. And now, after I have done this, after I have brought my 1/2 out to the front, and I subtract 1 from 1/2, I'm going to now find the derivative of the expression inside my parentheses. And I'm going to take that derivative and I'm going to multiply it by this whole expression. So I'm going to be taking the derivative of 3x squared, and that will mean that I will be multiplying this whole expression by 6x. Now, where did I get 6x from? 6x is the derivative of 3x squared. So, dx 3x squared, right, equals 2 times 3. I brought my 2 down to the front, and I'm multiplying that by 3, x. And my exponent will be 2 minus 1. Equals 6 times x. And my 1 is a constant, and the derivative of a constant is 0. And I'm multiplying the whole, 0, and I'm multiplying the whole thing by this expression. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up a little bit. This is a negative 1/2, so I'll go 1 over 2 times the square root 3x squared plus 1 times 6x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up even further. I'm going to take my 6x and I'm going to multiply it by 1. And that will give me 6x over 2 times the square root 3x squared plus 1. Now my 2 will divide out into my 6, and that will give me 3x over square root 3x squared plus 1. And so my answer is 3x over square root 3x squared plus 1. And this brings me to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, share. Subscribe, like, share. Thanks for your attention.